Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into a delicious and super convenient snack that's perfect for those on-the-go moments. It's the That's It Nutrition Apples plus Banana Bar. This little bar packs a punch, and what's awesome is that it contains just two ingredients, apples and bananas. Yep, you heard that right, just two. No added sugars, no preservatives, and no nonsense. Let's take a closer look at this snack. As you can see, it's compact, making it perfect for tossing in your bag for a quick energy boost anytime, anywhere. The taste? Absolutely delicious. You get the natural sweetness of apples combined with the creamy, smooth flavor of bananas. It's like having a fruity treat without any guilt. Nutritionally, it's a winner too. Each bar has about 90 calories and provides a good amount of dietary fiber. It's an excellent option for a quick, healthy snack between meals. One of the things I love about That's It is their commitment to simplicity and transparency. They make it easy to understand exactly what you're putting into your body. Overall, I highly recommend giving these bars a try if you're looking for a healthy snack that doesn't compromise on taste. They're perfect for a quick breakfast, a midday snack, or even a healthy dessert. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more healthy snack reviews. See you next time, and remember to keep snacking smart.